Pozdrav sekiraši, danas je sa nama na X štandu Denis iz Hatora. Sad, šta je Hator? Pričat ćemo detaljno o Hator brendu. Suština je da je Hator ušao na naše tržište i cela ideja da se upoznate sa tim brendom. U pitanju je jedan jako dobar gaming brend, imaju moćne periferije i slično. So, Denis, first thing first, how are you?
I'm really good, really good. A really nice event. Happy to be here in Serbia to promote our brand and to bring gamers something new, something nice. So I'm really happy to be here, yeah.
Is this your first time in Serbia?
This is my first time in Serbia, yeah. But I like it, man. Balkan is my second home, so everything is nice. People are nice, but the food is the best, I think. You cannot argue with that. You cannot argue with that.
Generally speaking, what is the Hator main thing? You know, what is the main thing to accomplish?
You have to know that Hator came from 20 years ago already. So actually, the owners of Hator, they started in the gaming industry 20 years ago. So our main office now is in the Netherlands. We have a lot of knowledge in esports, in gaming. We are engineers. So when we launch products, you know, we first get experience from the consumer, and with that experience we actually make the product. We make products based on what people want instead of launching something and then, you know, check it out what's doing in the market. So we're really involved, and that's how we know how to make the products in the smallest details, yeah.
So from gamers to gamers?
Yeah, actually yes, but it's more from understanding what they want to engineering. So we're actually engineers and then bringing something.
Yeah,
so.
I mean, engineers are also gamers, so
yeah, and in some sense, yeah. But you know, we're really nerdy, so we like the smallest detail, the perfection in products. That's what we drive for.
Okay, so can you tell me more about this TKL keyboard?
Yeah.
What is the selling point for this item?
Yeah, sure. So this is one of our newest mechanical keyboards. So in this keyboard we packed everything for all the gamer features. So I will show you. So one of these things, for example, here we have our own Hator Orem switches. So we have hot swappable systems in here. So you can actually swap all the systems that you want, because what do professional gamers want? Usually they have different switches for different purposes. So the WSAD, if they want to switch it, they can just take it out. They can put a switch which is more clicky, more tactile. It has a double gasket mouth for stability. It has programmable buttons, and it's a really sturdy design. What we do, everything is hand looped.
What I really like about these switches, you know, there is no lot of wobbling. I hate wobbling.
No. Everything is actually stabilized. Everything is also hand looped, and all switches guarantee 100 million pushes. So it's a really sturdy design. So this one is, for example, wired. We have this one in gray and white. We also have one like this one. It's in black and white. Also full RGB lit, and actually every button is separately RGB lit. So you can actually program whatever colors you want on the keyboard to have more focus on this area or more focus in this area. And our main USP for this product is actually the quality and the value and the price ratio. This keyboard is MSRP around 70 euros. And I think, you know, what competitors do for this, they mark up a little bit, but we know how to make it, and we know actually the prices for each component, and that's where we can offer actually a good price for top-notch materials. And that's actually a little bit of a philosophy. Gaming should be reachable for anybody, so it should be affordable and you should have good products.
This is the first time that I holding this in my hands. I really like this hexagon pattern, because everything in X is about hexagons.
Oh yeah, well,
yeah.
Special made for you.
Yeah, thank you. I like the position of this volume knob. It's really nice, and these two buttons,
you can program. It's macro programmable actually. It also has a QMK and VIA programmable, so if you really want deep customization, you can have it on this keyboard.
Now I understand why you say engineers. Yeah.
We thought about this thing. So how can we make it as deeply customizable as possible, and how can we put all our, let's say, brain power into this keyboard and have a really nice mechanical keyboard for a very accessible price. So that's
but in same time plug and play for not too much experienced users.
Exactly. Yeah. So whether you're starting your gaming journey, you want a good keyboard, or the more professional gamers, this is very good suitable for it. Yeah.
Okay, so if we're talking about gaming, it's always two things: keyboard and the mouse. What can you tell me about this Quasar 2 Ultra?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is our wireless mouse. It's a 4K mouse. So you can see here it has a dongle. So in this dongle is actually 4K polling technology. So you have a really smooth feel and track on this mouse. So you don't have this, you know, when you go a linear pattern. So you don't have this wobbly.
Yeah.
So it's really sharp.
High resolution.
Exactly, high resolution. The shape, we made it ambidextrous. So whether, you know, left or right, you can actually use it really well. What we didn't do is a DPI switch on the top. We put it actually here on the bottom. because when you game, you don't want accidentally to push the DPI switch when you're in full focus to switch your modes. And you make to make sure, for example, for Counter-Strike, the best DPI is around 400. So players set it one time and then just keep it off, and then just game. So you don't want any buttons which can distract your gameplay. That's why this mouse is very good for shooters, for example. And also programmable. The side buttons are programmable. This is programmable. You can click it both left, right. And it has 4 modes. So it's a 2.4 gigahertz the dongle. It has a Bluetooth mode in there. It can be wired, so whatever you want. And this one has kill switches and the PixArt sensor.
Which PixArt sensor is inside?
It's 3395.
Oh yeah. It's really good sensor, yeah.
Yeah, so a top-notch material. But again, the value for money is actually, for us, it's unbeatable for this price.
Super lightweight, I assume.
Of course.
Less than 60?
Yes, 58 grams.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you're good.
Yeah.
Very close, very close. Next to keyboards and mouse, we also have headsets in different price ranges. We have gaming chairs, mouse pads also. So we have the full lineup for Hator, for everybody needs what you want for that part. So on every price tier, whether you're a beginner or whether you're a pro gamer, we have everything for you. And even our entry-level keyboards are really, really good in terms of quality, in terms of customization. Basically, whatever you want, we supply it for every gamer. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. And if we're talking about supplies, the most important thing about every gaming brand is distribution. Who is distributor in Serbia?
For us, it's Rockors. So we started distributing with them, and it's the first, let's say, go with this. So we're now at the event together with them at the Rockors booth. People can test the products, can try it out, and with them we hope to build, a good Serbian gaming community and bring top quality gear to them, to the Serbian gamer.
To be honest, your presentation was really, really good. I didn't have too many questions because I was preparing, but you already said everything, so. Yeah. I'm really looking forward to test everything, like for a few weeks. This mouse is looking so promising, and I really like the colors.
Thank you.
I really like the colors. I mean, someone will say this is the girly color, but yeah. I don't agree. When it's come to
what your preference is. So,
yeah.
Well, we have it also in white and purple. We have it in black and purple. So whatever you want, we actually have it. So, for example, this one is white. We have it in black. No, so we try to make variances that's suitable for everybody, basically. But yeah, everybody has his preference. So
yeah. I mean, if we're talking about this kind of components, it's always a personal thing.
True, exactly. And for this, if you want to switch something, it's very easy. You put different colors in there, different keycaps. You can do whatever you want, basically. So as long as you fit.
Are you guys also selling keycaps?
We will sell keycaps, so we had models, not this one, which you can swap with some keycaps, limited edition, but in the future we will. So you can buy just keycaps in different colors, whatever you want, and just switch it up, make it personal. Yeah, it will come.
Yeah, perfect. Sounds promising. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you for this interview. It was a pleasure. So we will keep hanging around at the Gamescom, and see you guys.